Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So this time we have a Lockwood 12150. This was loaned to me by Lockwood. 50mm brass padlock, plastic cover. Works quite nicely, quite heavy spring tension. All works nicely. Bitting on the key is quite awkward. And I must admit this has been holding me up for quite a while, or at least trying to get it on camera has. So let's get it in the vise and give it another go. See if we can finally get it done. So going bottom of the keyway, it does seem that it's extremely easy to overset some of these pins because they are very low set. So I'm on 2 at the moment. Right, got a little click out of 2. Then we try on 5, little click on 5, and it wouldn't surprise me if that's now actually overset. 2 again. Let's try again. So we're on 2. Right, I've got a slight little click on 2 there. A little click on 5. Nothing more on 2. This does need quite heavy tension. Checking the others. 2 is the one that definitely needs setting every time because it's so high compared with all the others. Right, that might be better on 2. No, I think something's overset again. Right, on to 2. Right, we've got a very, very tiny click out of 2. 3 and 4. 5, tiny little click out of 5, that was 2 again. Oh, and there we go. Finally, like I say, one I think sets while you're setting 2. And 3 and 4, just literally brushing them is all it takes. But there we go, finally open the Lockwood 12150. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you again soon, bye.